we're back to Midjourney. I recently found out that we can also use emojis in our prompts. Easy button right here, let's use Imagine, and on the right you can see Discord has this inbuilt function. Emojis are selected in the top menu. Let me use a heart, I prompted. Let me use another example. You can scroll down and there are thousands of options. Let's use the cool emoji. When you do it like this and just use the prompt, the results vary, so it's very far astray from what the shape of the emoji is. It tries to capture the word instead that's associated with it. If you want to make sure that the emoji itself or the shape of it is used, you have to prompt this. You can, for example, use illustration. It gets better. But using something like symbol, logo, this is going to make sure that the shape is part of the generated image. If, for example, we have the heart, you won't find a heart in it. Here was the cool emoji. As I've said, it used the word and not the symbol. Here we have our eyes. You can't really see eyes in it. And here's eyes illustration. I've tried it before and when I used it, it had at least somewhat of an eye in it, but here it doesn't. But when you use symbol logo like I did here, you can see here we have an eye as part of the design. Let's prompt it again, just using logo and symbol, and I leave out illustration, and it should lead to good results. Right here was our symbol logo illustration added to the eyes emoji prompt, and 3 and 4 incorporate that. And you can also see for logo symbol, it already tries to give us something that uses an eye. Let me scroll up. I've tried, as I've said, eyes and illustration before. And I had one example where there actually was an eye generated in a bigger illustration. Right here. So I've just used the eye emoji and I was lucky that it actually used an eye here. But that's more of a hit and miss. If you want to have a specific illustration that's based on the shape of the emoji, add symbol and logo to your prompt and you get something like this. Once again, here's the emojis option. On top, I've got emoji selected right next to GIFs and stickers. And there are literally thousands of options inbuilt in Discord. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.